Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your laptop's Thunderbolt or USB-C port and BIOS support because the interface matters for bandwidth. Once done, inspect the eGPU enclosure for the right physical fit and PSU wattage to power the card. Undersizing causes crashes. Make sure you have the official high-quality cable and the latest firmware on the enclosure. Finally, download the current GPU drivers to a known folder so installation is ready immediately after the first. You'll install the card carefully. Power off and unplug the enclosure, then seat the GPU into the PCIe slot until it clicks. This ensures a solid electrical contact. Make the PSU connections next, matching the GPU's 6/8-pin connectors. Proper power prevents instability and reduces thermal stress. Once cables are tucked and the enclosure is closed, plug the Thunderbolt/USB-C cable into the laptop. After that, power on the enclosure before the laptop to let the firmware enumerate devices cleanly. You finish by installing the GPU drivers you downloaded earlier, then reboot so the system recognizes the card. This step resolves most detection issues. Once booted, open the GPU control panel to assign the external GPU to games or apps and tune power and fan profiles for thermals. If the card isn't seen, try updating laptop BIOS and Thunderbolt firmware, swap the cable or port, and confirm enclosure firmware. These fixes address common handshake and bandwidth problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.